Birdsong makes some fabulous teas. This is the Midnight Rosefinch Jasmine Tea with rose and orange. This is the Blueberry Bulbul White Tea with blueberry essence. This is the Black Cap Creamy Gray. It's an Earl Grey tea. And this one here is the one I'm drinking right now, the Fountain of Pita Green Tea with Berries and Spices. All the teas are the loose leaf tea, which I love. I love steeping them in my steeper. As you can see, it's in here. They taste fabulous. I love them all. They're all very good for you. They have many different kinds. If you go on their website, I am going to list it for you. They make even a wonderful gift. They're beautifully packaged. Each one named after a bird.